Welcome to the Python tutorial, lecture 9, part 2, dictionary in Python. In previous lecture, we saw that what is a dictionary and how to assign value to the dictionary, how to update to the dictionary and how to delete a dictionary. And we also saw that what is the difference between the dictionary, list and tuple. Now in this lecture we will see some properties of the dictionary, keys and other operation on the dictionary. First of all, let's see what are the different properties of the dictionary keys. First of all, we will take some example for the dictionary. For that I have to write dictionary is equal to, in curly brackets we have to just give, first of all we have to give any key. Here I give key name colon its value comma another key. Here I give for position POS and colon its value comma q, the third key. Here I use the same name as a third key and its value bossa. Now if I want to print this dictionary, what I have to write? I have to simply write down print in square small brackets dictionary. It will print only two keys. First key is the position, that's value captain, and the second key is name for that Barbosa. So here when the more than one entry per key is not allowed in that dictionary keys, which means that there is no duplicate key is allowed. When the duplicate key is encountered during the assignment, the last assignment will win. So here we use the duplicate key for that name key. Here we use name key twice. First one its value for the Jack and the second for that Barbosa. Here we use duplicate key and that the second key only will print out. The first key will be not print out in that dictionary. So this is the properties of the dictionary keys. You have to assign unique keys for all the values. Now let's see the another properties of the dictionary key. Before that I just simply use the dictionary is equal to, in curly brackets I have to just give first key name and its value Jack. It will for the print that dictionary, print in small bracket print dictionary, it will print the dictionary. Here I use the key as a string operation. If I want to use number as a key, for that I have to write down dictionary is equal to, in curly brackets, here I use number as a key and its value. Here I give value the Jack. Now if I want to print that dictionary, you have to write print in small bracket then dictionary. Now if I want to give dictionary in the key in the tuple form, I have to write dictionary curly bracket. Here I use tuple for that key name and its value Jack. It will also print the same dictionary if I won't use the print command. But if I want to use list in this key, what will happen? Let's see. If I write dictionary is equal to, in curly brackets, and give the key in list form and give its value Jack single quotes, and it will show the error. So keys, we know that keys must be immutable, which means you can use in string format, number format, or tuple format as dictionary keys, but something like list in given key is not allowed. So this is the second properties of that dictionary in keys. Now let's see some built-in properties in dictionary. Before that, we just simply passed out our dictionary in curly bracket, give the key name colon its value comma another key 8 colon its value. If I want to find the length of the dictionary, for the length you have to simply write down len for that length, and in bracket you have to write down dictionary. It will give the length of that dictionary. Here we use two different keys, means two different length of dictionary is 2. If I give this dictionary, for that, before that, if I use the different dictionary, if I use this, take this dictionary and take here, change the key, take as a name 1, and if I want to find the length of this dictionary, I have to write len in small bracket dictionary. The length is 3 different key and its value, so that will give the total length of the dictionary. This will be equal to that number of items in the dictionary. Now let's see, if you want to find a type, what is the type of your data. So that if I give for the list, I use L is equal to in. For the list we use square brackets, give any different values. For the tuple I use T is equal to, for the tuples we use small bracket and give that any values for the tuples. For the dictionary, what we have to write, D and is equal to, we use curly bracket. For the dictionary we have to first give key. Here I give key name colon in single quotes its value comma for the another key 8 colon and its value. If I want to find what is the variable type of L, T and D, for that I have to simply write down type in small bracket. For that L1 I have to find, so I write L in small bracket, so return will be L is a class of list. The same way, if I want to find what is the class of T is there, so class of T is tuple. The same way, what is the class of the D, we pass out the class of the D is dictionary type, means type you have to just write down type in small brackets variable. It will return the type of past variable. If the past variable is dictionary, then it will return dictionary type. If the past variable is list, it will return class is list. If the past variable is tuple format, the return will be a class of tuple. That's all for the today's lecture. In the next lecture we will see the different IO files and its functionality in Python. Thank you.